We're gonna make some killer steak sandwiches with this. All right, so we got our veggies ready to go for this sandwich. We got mushrooms, onions, some nice wild garlic in there. I'm gonna saute this all up with some butter. All right, I got my onions, mushrooms, and garlic. It's all fried up. Leaving that on low heat. I got my snow beef. Did a soy sauce marinade on it. Did that just to give it a little bit of the salty flavor. Got my oven preheated at 400 degrees. Probably can't see that quite. That's for the baguette we're gonna do. Got some nice smoked cheddar and some sharp cheddar on this thing. Okay. I've got my pan preheated. Just put some extra virgin olive oil in there. Let's throw these bad boys in. All right, just cut into this snow beef rib steak. Got a nice medium rare going on there. All right, it's gonna be delicious. Perfect, so we're gonna put this sandwich together here. Got our nice cheese bread. Our nice onion and mushroom mixture. Okay, got our steak on there. Look at that. How good is this looking? Gotta put some of that fat in there because, well, that's what makes it the Wagyu. Close that up. Bon appetit.